Hey guys, welcome to MADHU'S Culinary Classics. Today's recipe is Burma's famous food, Atho. Let's get started. In a bowl, take half a cup of rice flour, half a cup of corn flour. By gradually adding hot water, make it into a dough. In hot water, I have added oil and salt. Mix it well and make it a dough. Next, grease the idiyappam maker. From the prepared dough, make it into a cylindrical shape and put it in the idiyappam maker. In hot water, screw the idiyappam maker to get the noodles. Let it boil for about 2 minutes. Next, in the pan, add 6 teaspoons of oil. When the oil is heated, add chopped garlic. Fry it until it turns golden brown. In the same oil, add sliced onions. Fry them until it turns golden brown. Keep aside the oil in which garlic and onion are fried. Take the prepared noodles. I have added some food color. If you need, you can add more. In this, add fried garlic, fried onion, sliced onion, shredded cabbage, tamarind water, powdered gram flour, then salt water. Add the water as per the taste. Then add red chilli flakes. You can adjust the red chilli flakes according to your taste. Mix it well and also add the fried oil. Here our yummy and super tasty Burma street food Atho is ready to serve. For more such video, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below your favorite recipes. Do try this recipe and share with us in our social media handles. Don't forget to watch the next video. Bye!